And this leads us to tip 5, which is conducting interviews to ask the questions so you are more confident in the person or persons who you're choosing to have. And we've got kind of a list of questions. Now, this is whether you're going through an agency or you're hiring private, things that you want to really know about. And a big one that Nancy brought up is scheduling. Is we want to know what kind of schedules do they have, what's the backup, and what are their minimum hours. Different agencies have different minimum hours, and different private caregivers have different minimum hours. So all of those pieces of information are helpful. And then what kind of insurance do they have? What kind of specialized training do they have? What kind of experience do they have with the diagnosis of our loved one? And that's not necessarily a deal breaker because there are quite a few different diagnoses, but the more familiar they are around the type of diagnosis, the easier it is.
And so there are some care agencies that you'll see who have specialized dementia care training. And so you can ask them to make sure they know what your loved one's dealing with and say, do you have specialized dementia care training? Because there are some who do.